Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix TCL subwoofer not pairing, wireless connection and repairing troubleshoot. Step 1. Check the subwoofer status light. Solid amber orange light. Successfully paired. Blinking light. Pairing mode or searching for the soundbar. No light. Power issue or faulty connection. Step 2. Power cycle both devices. Turn off the TCL soundbar and subwoofer. Unplug both devices from the power outlet. Wait at least 10 seconds. Plug them back in and power them on. Allow up to 1 minute for automatic pairing. Fix 3. Try automatic pairing. Turn on the soundbar, turn on the subwoofer, wait for the subwoofer LED to stop blinking and become solid. Test the audio. Fix 4. Manually repair the subwoofer. If automatic pairing fails, ensure both devices are powered on. Press and hold the pair button on the back of the subwoofer until the LED starts flashing. Press the pair, subwoofer, or right arrow button on the soundbar or remote varies by model. Wait for the LED to turn solid, indicating a successful connection. Fix 5. Move the subwoofer closer. Wireless interference can prevent pairing. Place the subwoofer within 3 to 10 feet, 1 to 3 meters of the soundbar. Remove obstacles such as walls, cabinets, or large furniture. Keep both devices away from Wi-Fi routers, cordless phones, and microwaves. Fix 6. Check power and connections. Verify the subwoofer power switch is turned on. Make sure the power cable is securely connected. Confirm the outlet is working by testing another device. Fix 7. Reset and repair again. For some TCL models, turn off both devices. Unplug the subwoofer for about 3 minutes. Reconnect power. Repeat the manual pairing process. Fix 8. Contact TCL support. If the subwoofer still won't pair, locate your TCL soundbar model number. Note the LED behavior on the subwoofer. Contact TCL support for model specific troubleshooting or warranty service. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.